Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the speaker on the iPhone 11 Pro Max mobile phone. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Next, undo the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, take out the screen from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the edges of the screen. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer for the heating process. Next, use a suction cup to lift the screen. Use the suction cup at the bottom to raise the screen and gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. Next, work around the screen to free up the rubber gaskets around the frame. This process will take time and needs patience. Once the screen is free, open it to 90-degree angle from left to the right. Please note that the flex cables are still attached and be extra careful with them. Next, remove the battery connector shield by undoing two screws. Once the shield is removed, disconnect the battery connector. Next, take off the LCD and earpiece assembly connector shield by removing 6 screws. Handle the cables carefully while unscrewing. Once the shield is removed, disconnect the two LCD connector plugs from the logic board. Then unplug the earpiece assembly plug from the logic board. Now free the screen from the body. Next, take out the not working loudspeaker from the body. First, remove the shield on top of the charging port connector by undoing 4 screws. Next, remove the not working speaker by undoing 3 screws and disconnecting the connector plug. Next, gently place the new speaker on the body and secure the plug. And then fasten it by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the charging port connector shield by adding 4 screws. Next, add the pre-cut water-seal adhesive to the frame. Please note that this tape will not completely protect the device against any liquid. Next, gently align the front screen assembly with the frame. Start by connecting the earpiece assembly plug. Then secure both LCD connector plugs to the logic board. Once they are securely in place, reconnect the battery plug safely to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. And then secure the LCD connector shield by adding 6 screws. And the battery connector shield by adding 2 screws. Next, install the screen. Begin by aligning the top edge of the display with the frame. Then gently press down to lock it in place. And then work your way along the sides and bottom to snap the screen securely to the frame. Always apply even pressure along the edges to ensure proper seal. Finally, secure the phone by adding two screws to the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.